Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today, we're diving into some electrifying tech updates. Streaming live today, Google I/O 2025 is set to showcase major AI breakthroughs, from Gemini AI to Project Astra and even Android XR. While Android 16 updates just dropped, the spotlight is on how AI is reshaping Google's ecosystem. Now, let's talk about Google's NotebookLM. It's gone mobile, available on Android and iOS, and it's smarter than ever. This isn't just a note-taking app, it's an AI-powered research assistant that helps you make sense of complex information. With features like podcast-style audio summaries, you can absorb insights while on the go. It even supports offline functionality and background playback, making it perfect for multitaskers. Switching gears, let's explore AutoDraw for AI-assisted drawing. Just sketch, and AI suggests neat versions you can download. It's that simple, and for those looking to boost productivity, check out these AI tools: BizWay for business planning, Magnific for image enhancement, Alpha Evolve for code evolution, AI SuitUp for professional headshots, and StudyMonkey for creating study guides. In other news, Microsoft's Build 2025 event unveiled over 50 AI tools, aiming to transform web interactions with smart agents. Meanwhile, Klarna's AI-driven approach hit a snag, leading to a rehiring spree to restore its human touch. Finally, Indian cybersecurity startup CloudCK secured $19 million to enhance its AI-powered threat platform. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, this is Shinky and the Hanuman AI team, keeping you ahead in the AI game.